How to use Salesforce to integrate your marketing and sales teams. Welcome. Today, we're delving into a vital aspect of Salesforce. How to use Salesforce to integrate your marketing and sales teams. Bridging the gap between these two crucial departments can unlock unparalleled efficiency and drive business success. Step 1 in integrating your marketing and sales teams with Salesforce is to unify customer data. With a shared platform, both teams can access a comprehensive view of customer interactions. Whether it's lead generation from marketing or deal progress from sales, having a centralized hub ensures everyone is on the same page. Step 2. Automation is a game changer. Salesforce facilitates automated lead handoff, ensuring a seamless transition from marketing to sales when a lead is deemed sales ready. This eliminates delays, enhances communication, and maximizes the chances of converting leads into loyal customers. Step 3. Closed-loop reporting is the key to understanding the effectiveness of your marketing efforts. Salesforce enables closed-loop reporting by tracking leads from initial engagement to closed deals. This data-driven approach helps both teams see the impact of marketing campaigns on actual sales, fostering collaboration and smarter decision-making. Step 4. Salesforce provides collaborative workspaces, breaking down silos between marketing and sales. Teams can share insights, collaborate on campaigns, and strategize together. This fosters a culture of teamwork and ensures that everyone is aligned towards common goals. In summary, using Salesforce to integrate your marketing and sales teams is about unifying customer data, automating lead handoff, implementing closed-loop reporting, and fostering collaborative workspaces. Implement these strategies in your Salesforce platform, and you'll witness a harmonious collaboration between your marketing and sales teams. If you found this video valuable, please like, share, and subscribe for more Salesforce insights. Ready to unite your marketing and sales efforts with Salesforce? Connect with us at Signatech to unlock the full potential of Salesforce for your business. Contact us today, and let's elevate your team collaboration. Thank you for watching. We'll see you in our next video.